Good morning, and we hope you're having a wonderful morning this Friday morning. We're ready for the weekend. We know a lot of you are at Wreath Makers Live, but we wanted to show you guys how to elevate your mirror this year. Tracy is going in with these two ribbons right here, and she's going to create a simple bow. First, Tracy's going to start with this 2.5 inch gold and autumn deluxe ribbon, and what she's going to do is start by doing her loops on each side, and here we've got it in real time so that you guys can see exactly how she's making this bow. If we need to slow it down, let us know and we'll do that and post it as well. This deluxe ribbon is only $7.95. Now she's going to layer on top this 1.5 inch gold glitter ribbon, which is also $7.95, and these both have 10 yards on them. And don't forget, you can shop all of this at www.tmigifts.com. And don't forget to use Summer 23. When you spend $50 or more, you get free shipping. We have received several new shipments in the last couple of weeks full of Christmas, fall, Halloween, all the things. So be sure to be checking our website regularly, and we do have more coming in this month. Lots of beautiful ribbons have arrived. We've got 1.5 inch, 2.5 inch, 4 inch, and we even have some 6 inch that you're not going to want to miss. And I know you've probably already seen our beautiful velvet ribbons that have come in. So I cannot wait for you guys to see the end of this video because I was blown away when I saw this piece. Tracy's going to use this new teardrop that we have, and we have it in gold and in purple, but she pops this bow on this teardrop and then secures it to the mirror, and it is just absolutely stunning. It just adds a whole new level to your decor, and I think this would be great for fall and for Christmas. So change that bow out, leave the gold teardrop, and you'd have a beautiful Christmas piece on your mirror as well. So Tracy is going to secure this with a zip tie. We really like to use zip ties. It just, to us, seems more secure. And then she's going to go ahead and clean up those ends by dovetailing them. Now this is the piece I have been waiting for you guys to see. This is a 34 inch teardrop. Is this not stunning? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Again, it comes in gold and purple. It's made up of magnolia leaves and it's got some glitter on it, but this piece is only $15.95. This is a stunning piece. I could see this on your table decor, or on an entryway table, just to really make it pop. But look at it on this mirror. That is gorgeous.